What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Ron and welcome to my channel, where we talk about entrepreneurship and content creation as well. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey Ron, how come now I got monetized, Ron? How come I got about 500 subscribers plus now with 3,000 watch hours, but I'm still not able to make any money? All right, so there's a lot of hype about this new, monetization process now. The fact that you can get monetized with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Now, don't get me wrong, it is good. The reason why it's good that, now they have an early monetization process is that when you really reach those 4,000 hours or the 1,000 subs and the 1,000 subs, you don't have to reapply all over again, because once you get approved, that is it. You're ready to go. You're good to go. Now, the only thing is that people think that because you got approved that you can start making money on ad revenue, on AdSense. No, right? The answer to that is no. The reason for the approval is so that way you're able to get early access to all the perks that they have, super like, super chat, anything that you can make the extra money on, once you get approved with the 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you're able to make money on that. But we all know that don't nobody really care about all that. Don't nobody really care about the super chats, all that, it's good, it's important, but that's the extra money that kicks in, right? So we already know that. But that's not what people want. People want the ad revenue. Now, YouTube was very smart about that. They knew that, okay, if this person has 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, they're gonna make money. They're gonna make some good money, especially the fact that YouTube will play ads on your video, right? Even when you're not monetized. So think about it. When you're not monetized, YouTube is playing ads on your videos. They're making money off of that. You're not making any money off of that. So what they say is, okay, since you're not making any money off of that, let's be fair. If you have people that really resonate with you, they're gonna be able to send you money through, super thanks or super chat, whatever, all the supers that YouTube have. They're gonna be able to pay you money through that. But through the ads, from your videos being watched or ads being playing on your videos, you're not gonna make any money from that. So that's why people like myself, right, are kind of upset with YouTube. I mean, we're happy in the fact that we don't have to wait so long to get monetized, because once we get monetized and once we get approved with the 500 subscribers and the 3,000 watch hours, it's going to be easier now. Once we get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subs, automatically, they're going to start playing. You're going to start getting paid through YouTube AdSense. There's a lot of confusion with this whole early access to the YouTube partner program. A lot of confusion. So I don't want you guys to get confused, man. So if you got approved with this, whole new YouTube partner program, that's a good thing, right? It's a good thing. So I hope that you really take this time to really start grinding, keep going after your dreams, right? Because we all know how hard it was to really get monetized, right? It was very hard. But now that you're able to get early monetization, yes, you might not be able to make money on YouTube AdSense, but it's giving you now the opportunity, right, to go crazy. So whatever motivation that you had before when you first started and you got to the 500 subscribers and the 3,000 watch hours, you got to double that motivation now. Now you got to go crazy, because, okay, now you're able to get money from, super chats and, super thanks, all these good things going on. But you're not able to make money from the ads. You want money from ads, right? Because you want every single ads that runs on your video to be able to pay you some change, right? That's what we want. That's the whole reason why people are on YouTube. You're on YouTube because you know that YouTube pays money, and then you also know that YouTube open doors for sponsorships, partnership, all the business aspect of YouTube thing. Like, once you really get on YouTube and you really start to blow up, your channel really start to grow, people start to get attracted to you, businesses start to get attracted to you. Now you get sponsorship deals, you get all these good perks now going on. So that's the reason why we really want to grind on YouTube. So use this new access to the partner program, very wise, and don't slack. All right, do not fall back. The fact that you got approved is already a sign that you are going to keep growing. All right, so do not waste your time, because you feel discouraged about the fact that you're not able to get paid on your ads. But instead, use this time then to grind, because now is grind season, guys. It is grind season. So I just want to encourage each and every one of you guys right now that's really working hard, that's really putting the dedication to really get your videos to the next level. Like, you just got to keep going. Do not stop, all right? That's the mistake. That's the mistake that I personally made when I created this channel. I never saw this channel as a channel that's going to blow. But for some reason, I woke up a few days ago and they were like, hey, you're eligible to, you're eligible. I'm like, whoa, baby, I'm eligible for what? Oh, I can be a partner program? Okay. So it kind of just put a fuel and motivation in my body now to really start posting more often and really give you guys evergreen videos like I have been doing, right? Because this channel I was just posting here and there, you know, to kind of like show you guys some tricks and you know how to get better on your channel, or how to get better on whatever in life that you're doing, you know, how to get free software here and there. So I was just using this channel for fun because that's what I like to do with whatever I show you guys, right? So guys, again, it is go time. Do not stop. Keep going. This is your year. This is your time. This is 2023. It is not 2022 anymore. All right. So people are becoming more successful and more successful day by day. And you do want piece of that pie. Don't let everybody else snatch your success, right? And then you're not able to see your own success. So keep going, guys, until you guys are able to see your success. Again, it is your boy, Ron. I hope you guys found this video interesting, and I hope you guys love, share this video, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I am mainly on Instagram at @itstheRun_. And I'm also on Thread, and I guess that's like an Instagram app or whatever the thing is. It's kind of like Twitter a little bit, but I'm on Thread as well at @itstheRun_. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all, and I hope that this is your time to shine and grind on this YouTube thing. All right, I'm out. Woo!